number 1 says to calculate the products AB and BA to verify that B is the inverse of A, and you may use the calculator to multiply. So I want to go into the matrix menu, so second, and then it's x to the negative 1. Go over to edit, press enter. This is a 3 by 3, and then enter in all of my data. Then quit out. Then go back into the matrix menu. Then go to edit, go down to B, make a 3 by 3 matrix. 8, negative 3, 4, and then quit out. And then go back into the matrix menu, and this time under names, press enter where it says A. It should put a copy of A on the home screen, kind of like this. And then go back into the matrix menu, under names, declare matrix B, and it will do that. And if you press enter, it will multiply them. And we get the identity matrix, which is just a matrix with a diagonal of 1s, like that. Now we're also supposed to calculate BA. So if I go back into the matrix menu and do matrix B, and then select matrix A, and then multiply in that order, we also get the identity matrix. So this is kind of significant, or very significant actually, because when we did the multiplication in the last section, it's definitely not commutative, meaning when we took two matrices and multiplied them and then changed the order, we would either get a different answer or sometimes we weren't even able to do it. So the fact that we get the inverse matrix or the same thing for both of these is very significant. And because we do, the answer is yes, these are inverses of each other.